Like with everything, you must always get the preparation right when painting, and you can sand the rust spots off with normal sandpaper, but then you're still painting on top of bad steel. To get a good finish, you must remove the mill scale from the steel before you paint it. So the only way to do this is by blasting it with sand, and you can see it behind me where the guys are on the roof of the boat blasting off the paint and also the mill scale to get a fresh, clean piece of steel, which then we'll take in the shed and prime, undercoat and gloss in the next few days. It takes normally about a week to turn a batarang, but Harriet behind me is having her roof completely re-stripped off, so she will take about 2 to 3 weeks before she's back on the water.